is where you can save $40 on a single item when you open an HSN card today. You can apply for them, or you can get more details. You can call us, or you can go to hsn.com/HSN card for all of the details on that. Okay. For the rest of the hour, we are going to talk about an amazing pain management system that you can use without having to pop a pill, without having to make an appointment, be on somebody else's schedule, without having to drive to an office and have a treatment done, where you can really focus on and handle the pain that you have at home, on your schedule, when you want to. And that is all thanks to DRHO'S Pain Therapy System Pro. You've seen them here at HSN, but this is a system that is known and really has become popularized worldwide for the ease of use and the convenience of use. You are managing your pain on your schedule, not on somebody else's. And we're gonna show you how it works. So what you're going to get is everything that you need. You get this amazing TENS unit and we'll show you how to use it. And a TENS unit is similar to devices that are used by doctors and chiropractors and physiotherapists in their professional clinics. You're using that same kind of technology at home in a very not intimidating way, and we're gonna show you. You get the unit. You're gonna get reusable pads of all sizes, both large and small, that you can use on the smaller areas of your body, like your hands or your ankles, or the larger areas like your back, or your shoulder, or your elbow, or your knees. You're even going to get the pads for your feet. So when we talk about pain therapy from neck to toe, that's what we're talking about thanks to DRHO'S system. You've got a sale price today, you've got free shipping today, you've got flex pay of $30, and I want you to listen up, whether this is for you or whether it's a loved one that you always hear complaining about that pain in their elbow or shoulder or the back or their knee. This is maybe something that you're gonna pick up for them. Let's bring in Dr. Michael Ho, who we are always proud to have here. And Dr. Ho, so great to see you. And thank you so much for creating a system that allows us to get back out there in a comfortable way for our lifestyle.
Hi, Tamara. Hi, everyone. Listen, this is a big winner for many of my chronic pain patients and for everyone who suffers pain from everyday activities. We have over 10 million people around the world who are already living a much better life with a lot less pain. And by the way, if you've been using my pain therapy system, please give me a call because I'd love to hear from you. Now, this is a Class 2 medical device that's cleared by FDA. It is easy to use, effective, and it is super affordable. I make this so that my patient and everyone out there who suffers pain can now get the treatment whenever they need. Because I know a lot of people suffer chronic pain because they don't get enough treatment. And a lot of people don't play or work or sleep properly because of their pain. Now, with your own system at home, you can easily get the treatment that you need and get the relief right away. Look, it's easy to use. All you do is put the pad, and those are all self-adhesive pads, on the area where you have pain. So for instance, if you have pain in your rotator cuff shoulder area, put the 2 pads on. There's a little switch here. We turn it on. Look, nice large display. We can select from 7 modes of therapy. And just press the button here, a step at a time. Now, once you get a certain level, there you go. You can see my muscles? They're pulsing on its own. Now, the way this works, it sends very gentle impulses, okay, to stimulate the nerve and muscle, and it causes the muscle to contract and relax in many different ways. In fact, we have TENS technology, which is fantastic for relieving the pain. We also have EMS technology, which have to relax the muscles, relieve sore muscle, increase local circulation, and also facilitate muscle performance. We also have my proprietary AMP, auto modulating pulse technology. And that's what makes this really different than anything else out there. If you watch carefully, you see my muscle, they'll pulse in one way, in a few seconds, they will actually stop, and then you get a whole different group of stimulation. It's always modulating, so your nerve and muscle will always respond effectively. And with this system, after just 10 minutes, you can say, I'm having less pain. After the first time, 20 or 30-minute treatment, many of you will be able to move much more without that same pain. Because when your muscles more relaxed, when you're less pain, you can move better. And also, if you suffer with arthritis joint pain, this also can help with the joint pain too. Now, the nice thing about this system, the Pro system, is actually got 2 ports. What that means is this is fantastic for those of you who have pain in more than one area. So for instance, okay, if you have tension in your shoulder, and nowadays, so many of you have tension in your shoulder because of stress and what's going on in the world, okay? We have to deal with a lot of things in our life, with everyday activity, with stress, with looking after other people, with work. There's a lot of things cause your muscle to basically go like this, and that can be very sore. Now, you can treat the area of your shoulder with the pads right there, okay? Very easy. Whoa. Now I feel like somebody's massaging your shoulder. It just feels fantastic. Now, what if you also have back pain? No worries. I can set up a second pair of pads on my lower back, okay? Look, there's 2 ports, and that's why you're gonna love the Pro system because it is so versatile. So I got a second set of pads on my lower back right now, and I can control the intensity separately for the treatment of my lower back. So I increase intensity slowly on my lower back. I feel it now. So I get pulses in my lower back to relieve the back muscle for relieving back pain. Some of you may have hip pain or pain that go down in the back of your legs. You can use this on your back, on your hip, and for pain in your legs. Fantastic for treating muscle pain and arthritis pain. And the nice thing about this system is it's a Class 2 medical device that's cleared by FDA.
Yes.
So you ensure this is safe to use, and it's got many features. First of all, as you can see, it's very powerful, but at the same time, it is not painful. With my technology, with the way we program, our proprietary programming, we can send the impulses to stimulate the nerve muscle to simulate many wonderful techniques like kneading, chopping, pounding, vibration. It's always changing, so your body really enjoys it. And because you enjoy it, you're actually going to use it more. Now, also, you get 7 modes of therapy. By pressing this button, I can select different mode, and each mode has different sensation. Just like when you go for massage therapy, some of you like a harder treatment, some of you like a softer treatment. So you can customize the treatment for your particular pain. Now, you also got a timer. You can set for 20, 30, or 40 minutes. And this is fantastic because I know many of you do not sleep very well, cannot relax in the middle of the night because of your pain. Or you set the timer. When the treatment's over, the device will turn itself off. And most of you probably fall asleep in about 10 minutes, okay?
Yes.
Now, let me quickly show you this system here.
Okay.
This, actually, I just saw the price on the screen. This is incredible.
It is incredible because you get so
website,
much. Yes.
The package here will cost you $220. Today, I'm going to show you everything. For less than 1 treatment in my clinic, the cost of 1 treatment in my clinic, you're going to get thousands of treatments where you and your family can get all the treatment you need. You're going to get Pain Therapy Pro device, okay? 2 ports, separate control. It's got a self-stop timer. 7 modes of therapy. It's also got a charger. It's a rechargeable system. It comes fully charged. You can use it right out of the box. You got smaller pads for treating neck pain, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and hand pain. You also got big pads for treating back pain, hip pain, knee pain, large muscle area, okay? You got DVD, okay? So show you exactly what to do. You're going to have a lot of pads here. Also, you're going to love today, you're going to get the portable foot relief pads. So you got foot pain, leg pain, circulation issue with your legs. Anyone who's been buying, the copper fit socks should be getting this because this is something that's going to help with improving local circulation. I use them when I'm traveling on a plane to keep things flowing. Fantastic. Now, normally this is what you get, but today only, we're also going to include all this extra pads because I know you and your family, okay, we want to use this on a regular basis because we all get pain from different causes. Now, today only, we're also going to add this wonderful pain spray, okay? This pain spray is basically a high concentration arnica. So it's very good for joint pain, for muscle pain, and you can use it in conjunction with the pad. You can spray some of the pain spray, say if you have arthritis in your shoulder, you spray a little spray on the shoulder, then put the pads on, so you get double therapy. So
Absolutely.
Anytime, anywhere, get the relief that you need.
And this is the thing, it's a whole system. It's not just one piece. You're not buying anything a la carte. You get 20 pads that are reusable over and over and over again. You can use 2 different, you've got 2 ports here. So if you want pads on your shoulder and then pads on your knees, you can do those at the same time. You can control how strong or maybe not strong that you have. And that's important as well because when it comes to pain management, only you know what's right for you. So this allows you to treat the, manage the pain, treat the pain on your schedule. And it's everything that you see right here for less than $90. You don't need to take a pill. You don't need to make an appointment. You don't need to drive to an office. You can do it as many times as you want throughout the day. Go for it. We're gonna take a listen to some folks who have used DRHO'S pain therapy system, and then we're gonna give you a chance to order.
Pain was located primarily in my rotator cuff, which led to muscle tension across my back and up into my neck. Would affect me in my workaday, my ability to relax, and more importantly, my ability to sleep through the night. Since I started using DRHO, I'm finding myself able to get through the workday, much better range of motion, no pain, and most importantly, a great night's sleep. What I love about DRHO is the variety of the treatment that is going through. You get the power, you get the intensity in a very small, easy to use unit.
Seeing it in action, and one of the things that really I clued into with him was that he could work more comfortably and he could sleep more comfortably. And if you're somebody who, maybe this is for you, or maybe it's somebody that you live with who complains about pain, or maybe they've been in pain for so long they don't even complain about it anymore. And just because they stopped talking about it doesn't mean they stopped feeling it. They just stopped, you know, they just don't want to voice being disappointed about having to go to the doctor's office, having to be on somebody else's schedule, having to take, you know, pills or what have you. This is pain management that you use when you're ready, as many times throughout the day or the week or the evening that you want to. And you get everything. There's nothing a la carte to buy. We're going to go back to DRHO, and he's sitting down comfortably with a smile on his face because he's actually, look at you, now you're focusing, I believe, on the feet, DRHO, and the knees.
Oh, this is my favorite treatment, okay? You know, I turned 63, and I still love to play basketball, but at my age, I need treatments, okay? I love my device. I use this every day before I play to warm the muscles up, to decrease the pain, and get my joints really moving. I get the muscle performing properly, and also for my feet, okay? Because when you're a certain age, you start developing some arthritis in your knees, in your toes, in your ankles. While using this, help with the arthritis pain. Also help to relax the muscle, improve the circulation. If you have knee pain, whether from playing sports, from arthritis, or just from doing everyday activity, use it. I'm telling you, this can increase your mobility and help you with more active and more fun in your life. Also, if you love the foot massage, ladies, this will give you all the massage you like. It never says no, okay? And imagine at the end of the day, after standing, working, or walking all day, when you take those shoes off, you feel like that's all sewn up, so tired and achy. Well, you put the foot pads under your feet, just turn it on, have a nice drink, or watch your favorite TV show. You can relax and enjoy yourself on your own time. You don't have to come to my clinic. You don't have to wait in the reception room. You don't have to pay me $100 each time, and you can do this every single day and many times a day. In fact, this is so portable, you can use this anywhere. And the nice thing about it is, after the treatment, okay, I'm telling you, you can feel it in the arch area. It's really relaxing for the plantar fascia area, over the first joint in your toe and in your heel, okay, and also around your ankle. If you take a look at your ankle, if you have a lot of circulation issue around your ankle or your lower leg, you definitely want to use this. Now, after the treatment, when you finish with the treatment, that's when you really feel the big difference, okay? When you walk, you go, wow, I just feel easy. I feel lighter, okay? You don't have that big, sluggish heaviness. Your muscles start to get this bounce back. You can do things again, okay? With this, allow you to have better mobility because your joint, your muscle are feeling better. Think about this. Get this for yourself, but don't stop there. Get this for your grandparents, your mom and dad, your spouse, your children, and your friends who are suffering with stress, muscle tension from stress, a big problem nowadays, who are having problems sleeping because they can't relax or they have pain. Anyone who works hard on the job, they don't have time for themselves, deserve a treatment at home. In fact, that's why I developed this, because I have so many patients who are hard-working men and women. Some sit in the office all day, some are professional drivers, many people in construction, okay? They don't have time to go for regular treatment. And that's why I developed this, so that you can use this anywhere you want. It could be neck pain, shoulder pain, lower back pain, hip pain, pain along your sciatic nerve area, okay? Those of you who get muscle pain from working hard, from working out, from looking after other people, you can
Yes.
use this anywhere, anytime. Look at, I could be sitting in the office and treating my legs, or my
Right.
shoulder, or my low back, because the pads just simply go under your clothing, and the device, look, it's rechargeable. You can take this anywhere, anytime.
That's
And for
right.
our senior friends, listen, this is fantastic for many of you seniors out there because you have a sedentary life and you have multiple pain. With this system, you can treat 2 areas at the same time. You can have pads on your shoulder. Look, I can put pads on my shoulder, one set of pads, okay, with one set of control, and you can have the other pads for your knees, okay, just like that. I'm treating 2 areas. Or if you suffer lower back pain, you can have the pads on your lower back and treating that with a separate set of control. You are in control, and you do this on your own time.
That's
For those
right.
of you who don't have time for regular treatment, this is the ideal. For those of you who are going for regular treatment for chiropractic, physical therapy, okay, massage therapy, use this in between your professional clinical visits. This will enhance your treatment. Believe me, many of my patients, okay, they love using this between seeing me in the clinic because they find this is something they can use in the middle of the night, especially
Right.
before they go to bed, okay? Now, how many of you cannot go to sleep because of knee pain or lower back pain, or you wake up in the middle of the night with back pain that disturb your sleep? Well, with your own doctor system at home, you can use this to relax your shoulders, relieve your back pain, relax your leg pain, and go to sleep. You have the timer here. Turn off when the treatment's over, okay? And think about, for the cost of just one treatment to my clinic, you and your family can have unlimited treatment and all the relief when you need it. And that can change your life because now you can stay active and don't have the fear of pain coming back on.
For
So please
sure.
think
For
about how
sure.
your life will be if you manage your pain properly with DRHO'S system, or if you don't manage your pain properly, how would your life be 5 years from now? Please do yourself a favor, invest in your health, and live a really good life.
For sure. And remember, you're not buying anything a la carte. You get everything. You get 20 pads. Those pads that Dr. Ho showed you on his knee, his back, his shoulders, you're getting all of it. You're getting 20 pads. And you use them over and over again. They come on, you'll see that these pads are on a plastic sheet. When you use it, you peel it off. When you're done using it for that time, you put it back on the sheet and you use it again and again and again and again and again. You don't have to keep buying these, and you're getting 20 of them. If it's your hand, think about it, if it's your hand or your wrist. I know a couple of years ago, my hand, it was right here at around my, my thumb area, was killing me, right? And look, there's a pad for that. If it's your shoulder, there's a pad for that. If it's your back, there's a pad for that you can use over and over and over. If you want to go for it, remember, this is the unit. It's smaller than a cell phone. It's easier to use than a remote control. And it is more beneficial for you because you now are managing your pain on your schedule, not someone else's. If you're saying, if you call up your pain provider and yeah, I can get you in 3 weeks from next month. What about today? What about now? This is today. This is now. Let's take a listen to Lori. We're going to hear her testimonial. While you're listening to Lori, you can call us or you can shop on hsn.com and go ahead and get your system.
Since I've been using DRHO'S products, I've found that my shoulders are less tense and neck movement, shoulders, much, much looser. I was able to use that whenever I needed it. So it freed up a lot of time. I was able to do it in my house. So I work and have kids, very busy. Now I was able to do something more often and feel better because it was loosening up my shoulders. I'm so glad that there's products like DRHO'S Massager out there that allow you the freedom to get pain relief whenever you need it.
And remember, these are similar devices that you would see in a doctor's office, in a chiropractor's office, and you're getting it at home. And I even love that it comes with this bag that you can keep track of everything. You've got all the pads, you've got the foot pads, you're getting the unit itself where you can dial up or down the strength of what you need and what's most comfortable for you in that area.